Happy New Year. Esong. Esong. Kamusta ka? How are you? Oh? Why? What's wrong? Huh? What's wrong? Tired? Pagod? Atang? Pagod ka? Bisperas ng New Year ngayon, bukas. Mamayang alas 12, 2012 na. Dito ako mag-New Year sa'yo. Tayong dalawa. Ha? Tayong dalawa. New Year's Eve. Alas 12, mamaya, 2012 na. Ano problema? Ano masakit? Masakit? Marami? Natang? Malungkot? Ha? Malungkot ka? Dito naman ako eh. Dito ako. Sama kita, New Year's Eve. Sabi ko, Pasko, New Year's Eve. Ha? Ayos. Lumamaya ako dito, alas 12. Bagong taon. 2012. Nagplano ka? Itong excited. True? Saksyon natin. Tatawag ako ha? Tatawag ako ng saksyon. Oh, can you saksyon me since you're here? Sorry. I'm sorry. I think he knows when it's really clogged or what. Tang, he's here. Sa saksyon ka niya. I can hear it. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, that's okay. Saksyon ka para may konting briefing. You're hurt a little, okay? You're gonna be okay. Wala?
Good amount usually comes out of me.
See? 10 seconds lang ka. There you go. 10 seconds. Pain is gone. 10 seconds lang. Okay ka na naman. Sucks na. Ganyan lang. Importante, buhay ka. Ha? Yan ang bumubuhay sa'yo. Itong ano na ito. Itong aparatus na ito. Yan ang breathing apparatus mo. Diyan ka umiingat. Pag nag-improve na yan, he's got a rate of 16. That's good. That's
Actually, I put, he does have a rate. This is the rate that's set. 1.5, and this is what he's putting back.
So that's a good number.
That's a number right there, yeah.
Yeah. What's the plate that they're going to put it towards the top? That's
I'm sorry?
the plate. they said they can put a plate so he can stop.
Not a plate. It's called a one-way valve.
Oh, one way valve.
Yeah. So what we do is we stick it in like right here.
Yeah.
The center right here.
Uh-huh.
And so when he breathes in, it actually allows him to speak because it's not going back out.
Okay. Just be strong, and when you're strong enough, they'll put that valve in there so you can talk again. Okay, Tom? Makakapagsalita ka ulit. Kailangan mong lumakas itong dito mo. Okay, Doki? Happy New Year. You look good. See? When they brought him here, he was feeling wrong.
Yeah. I remember.
Yeah. No, it's okay. And somebody's calling me. Hold on.